Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax returns for retired government employees. We'll cover essential steps to ensure a smooth filing process. First, gather all your income statements, including any pension or annuity forms. Next, we'll discuss how to report your retirement income accurately. Finally, we'll highlight important deductions and credits that can reduce your tax liability, helping you keep more of your hard-earned money. Let's get started. To begin, gather all your crucial tax documents. You'll need Form 1099-R for your pension or annuity income, and Form W-2 if you had any part-time work. Don't forget your Social Security benefit statement, Form SSA 1099, as this income may be partially taxable. Also, compile records of any deductible expenses, such as medical costs exceeding 7.5% of your adjusted gross income, to maximize your savings. Next, let's focus on maximizing your deductions and credits. Many retirees benefit from a higher standard deduction if they are 65 or older or blind. Compare this to itemizing deductions like medical expenses, state and local taxes, and charitable contributions. Additionally, investigate federal credits such as the credit for the elderly or the disabled, which can directly reduce your tax bill. Remember to check for any specific state tax benefits for retirees too. Finally, let's talk about filing your return and important deadlines. The primary deadline for filing your federal income tax return is typically April 15th. If you need more time, you can request an extension, usually giving you an additional 6 months. Remember, an extension to file is not an extension to pay. If you expect to owe taxes, make estimated payments quarterly to avoid penalties. Electronic filing offers convenience, accuracy, and quicker refunds.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.